like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So some of you guys have been DMing me this link and telling me to react on this music video called Baieid by Kupar Shadap featuring Genevieve Nongrum and Daphisha Kharbani. I know who Kupar Shadap and Genevieve Nongrum are, but as for Daphisha Kharbani, this is my first time I'll be listening to Daphisha Kharbani, and yeah, I'm very much excited and eager for this one. I know this is gonna be amazing. I haven't watched it yet, so without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in and dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family, and also do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers, so this is my Instagram ID. Do hit me up in there. Hey, let's just jump straight into this music video and let's vibe into it. And yeah, Kublai Shibun for to all of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are awesome. Ako Baieid. I don't know what is the meaning of Ako Baieid. So let's go. Oh. Wow. When I saw you for the first time, so this is a love song. So basically saying, when I saw you for the first time, I didn't expect this to happen. It seems that means love to happen, you know. Damn. The feelings.
Smokeman ka jing em ka jonga pila long ka para long ka babat ngan yanga nakababun nga lajitang yapi.
Among many, I have chosen you.
Piba ay jing it, piba ay jing kmen yanga kublai shibun ba.
Hey, Kublai Shibun for coming into my life. It seems, hey, awesome.
Kublai Shibun ba piwan hajing imjong para long baie.
Dear loving friend.
Para long baie.
Wow, what a dance. Awesome.
Kanang shy kasni,
Oh.
kanang pelun ubna.
Oh.
Kanika jingi lapang shy to play.
Wow, this love is shown by God, isn't it?
Dingi bajiru play balapo menshwa.
Yes, God is written.
Yak a love story, ka jong pi jong a. Pina long jing it shisha, ubang ngen yang a. Nakapabun play u ay yang a. Pi ubang pinda, pi ubang pinbyang yang a. Ko play shibun ba pi long ka jing it.
Kublai Shibun for becoming my love. Hey, I love that part very much.
Piuban pinbyang yang a. Kublai Shibun ba pilong ka jing it yang a. Ako Baieid. Ooh. Ako Baieid. Oh.
very good dancer, yeah. Genevieve. Wow. In front of the altar with faithfulness and fidelity. Damn. True, man. That's the kind of marriage, you know, the pure marriage, pure love, real, you know, marriage. A holy marriage.
Nila long jing itchisha bane baro shirta la suk shitom jinjar kamper yanga.
So this dancer is Daphisha Kharbani, if I'm not wrong. Just let me know.
Shitom jinjar kamper yanga.
Genevieve.
Kupar
Damn, awesome, man. Kupar shadap, na 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 na, Baieid, na 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 na. Amazing. One of the best songs that I have heard. One of the best, yeah, Khasi song. Really, it gave me the joy while listening to this song. Really awesome, marvelous, amazing. And yeah, man, all these words, you know, it was really nice. And also this song gives us a hope that, you know, true love still exists these days. Many, you know, love are actually not love but lust, you know. There is no faithfulness or there is no holy, you know, relationship these days. So this song really gives a motivation and also an awareness that love should be pure, and you know, that love should take you to the altar. That holy marriage, you know, the blessing is really required in marriage, man. Kupar shadap, na na na. Hey, Kupar shadap to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. And yeah, man, shout out to each and every one of you once again for all the love and support. And also a huge shout out to Kupar shadap, Genevieve Nongrum Daphisha Kharbani, and all those who are involved in making this music video. Wonderful one, awesome music video. I love it. Shout out to all of you guys. And yeah, thank you so much, Kupar shadap, to each and every one of you for all the love and support who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Hey, let's go.